high, man. Father God, we thank you, God. We thank you for our sister and your dear daughter, God. And God, whatever it is, Father God, whatever attack of the enemy, we come against it and we stand on your word, God. God, bless her and touch her, Father. Father, you know the work, you know her heart, a precious gem in the kingdom, Father. Always working. Don't have to be out front, but always working behind the scenes, God. So, God, you know her heart. You know she's a servant, God. So, God, we understand that you give your biggest battles to your toughest people, God. But, God, she's not alone in the battle because we fortify her now, Father. Even as we surround her, Father, for support. But it's also a ring because your word said a 3-ring cord is not easily broken. So, Father God, we touch and agree today that whatever it is, Father, we love you and trust you so much, God. She ain't even got to say what it is, God, because you knew before it happened, God. But whatever it is, God, go in and work it out and let it come in her favor, God. We speak favor today, Father. We speak healing today.